So we've got the whole thing taken apart. We've basically just got the front and rear clips remaining. So now I'm going to take those apart. But we've got the engine, the transmission, the servo tray. Looks like the floor to the engine mount, that's anodized purple there. Fuel tank up there. These are like the chassis bracket or frame brackets. So now we're going to take apart these clips and get everything apart so we can clean it all up. And now I think what I'm going to do is disassemble the front clip down to its components, clean it all up, as well as the other things I've taken off. Then I will take the rear clip apart and do the same thing. So I'll always have one in its complete form to reference. So just picking away as I go. And so here's taking apart the front clip to 7:30 seconds. Alright guys, so the front clip has been disassembled, and it's gone from this, basically, with some additional steering components, to this pile. So, stabilize it here. You know, I'm basically going to clean all this up. Some of this I'll disassemble more. But I'm going to clean it all up. Re-grease, rebuild, and reassemble. And once I have that put back together, then I'll take this one apart, and it should be easier since I've just done that. And then I'll get to making sure the engine works, getting new servo stuff, all that kind of good stuff. So that's where we're at. So now the cleaning. All right, here's a check-in. So we already cleaned and put together the first, I guess, the front clip. Took it all apart completely, rebuilt it all, cleaned it and rebuilt it all, re-greased everything. We have new electronics. So I got rid of the old AM radio, switched to a 2.4 gigahertz digital radio, cleaned and serviced the steering rack, put a kill switch in. I stuck with the AA batteries for now, just until I kind of see how things work and how I'm going to use it. I've got WD-40 sitting in the engine so that it kind of cleans out some of the gunk from it sitting. I got a new tune pipe. I got an engine mount. You can see below the plate there that I ordered. I've taken apart the second the rear clip. Me and the buds have been cleaning it out. We're currently cleaning the side rails, the side frame, and we're gonna get all this cleaned up and hopefully get it put together soon. We've got to clean up the differential here. Then really the last step will be getting the engine going and cleaning, taking apart, re-greasing the transmission. So I don't know what kind of is waiting for me there, but that's the last piece. Actually, no, I lied. The last piece is going to be these. So I've got 4 tires that were on the truck when it came. They need to be at least repainted, but they are torn. So I got to find, you know, what I can do to replace them or fix them. I've got some other tires here, but I don't know what I'm going to do with those. So we'll be repainting at least or getting new wheels. And then there's the body here. The new body that I've been looking for, 1/8 scale to replace this. So I think we find a clear one, we'll paint it, etc. And, you know, so it's coming together.